Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. So I have a birthday gift share. I finally met up with my friend Sophia. She wanted to give me a birthday gift, and it's been just so hard to get together with my friends. So anyway, we met briefly because we had to go pick up our kids, and I had to go pick up my kids, and we were supposed to have coffee, and we were supposed to do our planner day. We were gonna decorate our planners, and it just didn't quite happen. But anyway, it was so nice to see you, Sophia. And thank you so much for my gifts. So let me go ahead and share with you guys. So she gave me this cute bag. Where did we get these bags? Was it Michael's a while back? Anyway, this is her first gift. Oh my gosh. And I already opened this one when I saw her. There's one that's packaged and it's not open yet. So I'm super excited. And I've been wanting to open my gifts. You guys, I've been wanting to open my gifts since our meetup. But I just hadn't had a chance because I wanted to do it on video, and my kids have projects right now. I mean, I stayed up with my daughter, oh my gosh, like till 1 o'clock helping her with a project, and it's just ongoing. So anyway, yeah. Isn't this cute? I'm sorry, I'm rambling. Look how cute. I saw Erica do a project share. She did one of these boxes, and it was super cute, and I really have to try this one, you guys. Seriously, I have to scrap lift this little project because it's so amazing. So anyway, I don't know what you call this, but it's a box. And okay, so you open the lid, and see, you have an envelope here, and you have 2 panels to decorate, and then it's a great little box to put goodies in, and then you're supposed to decorate the front as well. And look how cute. So it looks like she used what is this one? Is this a Joann's paper? I think. Is it Joann's? I think it's a DCWV paper called Confetti, if I'm not mistaken. There's 2 different kinds, but this is like the pastel color one. I'm pretty sure it is because I have this paper. So cute. Okay, and then so she has here, you guys can also see her video, of course, because I will leave the link down below, because she did, I guess, explain this whole thing, but I haven't seen the video. I just kind of saw that she uploaded it. Okay, so anyway, she has a washi here, so I'm supposed to open this. So let's just open it. And it's so beautifully decorated. I love this banner here that you did there. Okay, so then she has a shaker card. So pretty. And I love how she makes her shaker card. She does it with just some ideas, you guys. You're totally going to be inspired if you go to her channel, because she does just really cute projects, and she likes to make shakers with tulle. So I love tulle, you guys, but as you guys know, I make, I usually like use it for wrapping. I'll add it to like my flower embellishments, or fabric flowers. But anyway, this is what she does with tulle. She makes shakers. So so pretty. I love it. And then on the bottom it says, "Let's eat cake." So, and then she has a cute little message for me here, wishing you a very happy birthday, friend. I truly thankful for your friendship. You are so genuinely nice, so I just wish you all the best always. XO Sophia. Thank you. Sophia and I have known each other for a while now, and she's just one of my very best friends. So anyway, let's go ahead and open. Oh my gosh. So she gave me these. She knows I love bling, and I do not have this particular bling, you guys. I don't know. Is this new to Michael's? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I don't have this one though. So it's so cute. It looks like a pinwheel. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I did not pick up any bling for some crazy reason. I was obsessed, you know, when there was the big sale. I don't know. I usually do. I mean, when they have 60% off, it's usually like bling city for me. But I don't know. I got crazy with the stickers because that's what everybody was hauling. And I think I kind of got distracted by the stickers. Anyway, so yeah, I didn't pick up any bling. Look how pretty. So she decorated the box, and it's this cute little tiny box. And it says, add a little confetti to each day. And then she even decorated like that part that, you know, this piece right here that's sticking out. How cute is that, right? She put the fibers and this trim. So cute. And then you open it up. And look! I told you, she makes like the cutest teeny tiny embellishments. Okay, so then she gave me some bows, and she didn't decorate it because so that way I can decorate it and, you know, use it for my projects. Super cute. And I don't think I've made, I don't know, I don't think I've made bows from this paper. I've used this paper, but not that much. Oh my gosh, she had it all nicely in there. Now I can't put it back. Okay, anyway, I'll fuss with it later. She gave me some Dyke chipboard, actually. Look, it's a little present. Yay. Let's see. Oh, this is another chipboard. It says, hello, thanks. Oh, these are really cute. I love these. Yes, these are great to decorate with. And then she gave me some buttons and a flare button. And look at that cute little cupcake. Oh my gosh. So cute. And then she gave me some of these teeny tiny clothespins. Super cute. In different colors. And then look at these little cut aparts. Time to party. Sprinkled with love. And then all these teeny tiny celebrate. This is from the collection. From this paper that I was talking about. Hooray. Look at these little tickets. Cool as confetti. I love it. Thank you, girl. It's such a cute little embellishment box. I mean, you can just make a card out of the stuff in here. You know. Oh, now I can't put it together. Now I can't put it back. All right. Thank you so much. I love it. So cute. And she has everything cut out for me, so I don't have to like cut pieces. So, and then she gave me some sequins. I'm sorry, I really need to put that back in there. Look at the cute little sequins mix. Super cute. That's so pretty. And then some trim. This is the trim that she used here. And then I love this one. I don't think I have this confetti. It says happy birthday. It's a bunch of, and I love the colors. Bunch of happy birthdays on there. I need to get these teeny tiny bags. Where did you get this one, Sophia? Because I have the bigger ones. But sometimes I need small ones like that. Okay, you have to tell me. And then she made me a bunch of balloons. And she sewed them. And then she left a little tail, so, you know. Not that one. That one, I guess, came off. But look, then I can put it on my project. And it has, you know, the little string. Isn't that cute? And she has, she sewed the vellum. Again, Sophia's, she loves using vellum on her projects. And it's like an added touch to it. It makes it just super, I don't know, girly and softer. It gives it a softer look to the paper, you know, that you're using underneath. It's especially if you're using like a really bright colored paper. It kind of softens it, so that's a great way to use vellum. Okay, so let's see if I can stick it back in there. All right. That is adorable, girly. Oops, this thing. Thank you so much. This is really amazing. And then look, she even decorated. She put a little belly band over this green, what are these? Seed beads mix. And thank you. I don't think I have green, because a lot of the times if I see anything like this, which I don't think I don't know. I think Erica gifted me some, but usually I would pick up pink or purple or something. Blue. Green is probably the last one I would pick up, but I love this minty color. And you have to have a variety. I can't, like, you know, not just do everything in pink. Thank you so much. This is adorable. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so that is the first gift. Let me just put that back. Woo. That is just too cute. I gotta make one of these boxes. And I think she said she made this box. Okay, somebody did a tutorial. I'm sure she mentions it on her channel and she'll leave a link. And then she gave me, look how pretty this paper is. I love it. I can't remember if I picked up this paper. Did I? Oh gosh. Or somebody picked it up for me, maybe? Mimi? I don't know. I can't remember, but it's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so let's see what you gave me. Seriously, guys, I have the best friends. They're just sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet girls. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think she has like a little pizza box, maybe? Yes, it's a pizza box that I can decorate later. Thank you. I still have one from Erica that I haven't decorated. Which I definitely need to do. It's just when I send packages and stuff. Things don't fit, and then I have to change my box into a bigger one. Anyway. Oh my gosh, look how cute. So she decorated the inside. Oh, and look, that's how she did the balloons. I love it. Oh, thank you. I love it. Oh, I love that. It's so pretty. So pretty. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I in frame, guys? Do you guys see the top of the box, the inside top of the box? She decorated it. And then she gave me a hand sanitizer, and of course it's pink. Oh, Japanese cherry blossom. Thank you. That is my favorite scent. Cherry blossom is my favorite scent. Thank you for that. I love this. And see, there it is again. She gives me these crocheted little embellishments that are just like so cute. I mean, seriously. Look at how adorable that is. That is too pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, and then she gave me a die cut. Love it. And look at this bag. I haven't seen these bags. Or did you make it? Okay, I think I'm gonna put this aside. And I'm just, oh, okay, she gave me some chocolate. Oh my gosh. Yum. And the darks. I'm trying to switch to dark chocolate, honestly. My love is milk chocolate, but I know the dark chocolate is so much better for you. And I need to really cut down on my sugar too. Thank you so much. And look. What is this? Is it a... Oh, it's the Whack-A-Pack thingies, right? Smack the Pack. Oh my gosh, I so want to do this right now, but I kind of want to wait to do it with my daughter. I've not tried this yet, you guys. I've seen like somebody's video. Oh, look at this washi. How cute is that? There are little bunnies on there. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save it. And then she gave me this trim, this gray trim. Thank you. I don't have gray. That'll go well with gray goes well with pink, you guys, or purple. Oh my gosh! I saw something really, really cute in there. Wait, let's do these first since it's already out. Look at this cute bunny! That is adorable. Oh, it's double-sided. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. Where did you find this little guy? Oh my gosh, that is too cute. And look, she decorated the inside. Love it. That's what I need to do with that paper. Because it's like the letters are so big, you know, but that's a great idea to just decorate the packaging. Some more flowers. Thank you. Puffy flowers. Delightful. Oh my gosh. I love it. I just picked up the paper. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Yay. I was just looking at the... what is it? The ephemeras, the little die cut pieces for this Pebbles collection. And I think I vaguely remember seeing puffy stickers. I think there's like 2 different kinds. Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm so happy. Stickers. These are so cute too. Oh, they're like puffy stickers too. Love it. Oh my gosh. I love it. Thank you. And then she has some more for me. So let's see. And this is not even the end. She ordered something for me, she said, and it hasn't come in. So I told you I have like the best friends ever. Look how cute. Oh my God, this is adorable. I'm totally going to use this. It's a headband, you guys, and it's so soft. It's like a plush, you know, the material. I don't know what you call this material. It's, oh my gosh. It's like, I can't think of it. I love it. Thank you. And see, look. Oh my gosh. I love this butterfly. Oh, did you recently learn how to do this one? Oh my gosh. I need to learn how to do this. This cute butterfly. I love it. Oh. I need to crochet again. I haven't crocheted in a long, long time. There was a time when I learned how to crochet and then I was just crocheting little things, doilies and things. But I've yet to make a bow. I've yet to make one of these. I think I've only made flowers and hearts. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. Oh, thank you. Anti-aging facial mask. Are you trying to tell me something? Just because I turned, you know what? You know. Just kidding. I love it. I need this. I do. For my wrinkles. I mean, I look pretty good for my age, so I've been told. But still, I see the wrinkles and, you know. Seriously. I told my husband before, oh, I think I need Botox. He's like, no. Lucky for me, I have a hubby that loves me the way I am. Okay. Thank you so much, Sophia. This is wonderful. I love everything. Love, love, love all the goodies. And my beautiful box. Birthday box. And your friendship. Love you, girl. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Big hugs. And I will see you soon for sure. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.